Good afternoon and thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields and this is Calcine TV, live from our Sydney studios. You're watching The Buzzing Trends. Today we're looking at 6 ASX listed stocks that turned ex-dividend yesterday. But first, let's quickly understand the concept of stocks turning ex-dividend. An ex-dividend date, sometimes known as an ex-date, indicates that an investor who purchases a stock on or after the ex-dividend date will not be eligible to receive the announced dividend. Instead, individuals who own the stock the day before the ex-dividend date receive the dividend payout. On or after the ex-dividend date, traders who buy stock will not receive the subsequent dividend payment. Instead, the dividend amount will adjust the shares down because buyers aren't entitled to the next dividend payment on the ex-date. Many ASX-listed companies went ex-dividend yesterday, and these stocks stayed on investor watch list during yesterday's trading session. These companies include names like Briscoe Group Australasia, Fonterra Shareholders Fund, Myer Holdings, Seek Supply Network, and Virtus Health. Let's have a look at them one by one. The first one on the list is Briscoe Group Australasia. It's a non-trading holding company based in New Zealand. It provides management services to its subsidiaries as a holding company, and Briscoe is a specialised homeware store office offering branded products, and the Sports Authority trading as Rebel Sport, a retailer of sporting goods, are the company's principal trading subsidiaries. Retail giant Briscoe turned ex-dividend yesterday, and it'll be paying a dividend of 0.145 Australian cents per share to its shareholders on the 31st of March. The record date for this dividend payment is the 24th of March, and Briscoe Group shares are currently trading at $4.08.4 Australian cents. Next on the list is Fonterra Shareholders Fund. It's a unit trust based in Auckland, New Zealand. Last week on the 17th of March, the company shared its half-yearly results for the financial year 2022, in which it delivered a half-year profit after tax of 364 million New Zealand dollars and a total group normalised EBIT of $607 million. Fonterra turned ex-dividend yesterday and decided to pay a final dividend of 0.039 cents Australian per share on the 14th of April. Fonterra shares are currently trading at $3.32. And then third on our list today is Myer, the Australian corporation that operates a department store chain. Myer also maintains a sourcing office in Hong Kong in addition to its Australian activities. The company, which turned ex-dividend yesterday, announced a fully franked dividend of 0.015 a share to be paid to shareholders on the 12th of May. The share price is currently trading at around 0.59 cents, up 1%. And then the fourth on our list is Seek, which is an online employment marketplace. The company also invests in early-stage enterprises and technology in the human capital management industry and distribution and provision of higher education courses. Seek turned ex-dividend yesterday, planning to pay a fully franked dividend of 0.23 cents a share to its shareholders on the 7th of April. The record date for this dividend payment is the 24th of March, and Seek shares are currently trading at $29.61, down by 2.44%. And moving on to the fifth on our list, Supply Network, which specialises in aftermarket parts for commercial vehicles. The company went ex-dividend yesterday and decided to pay a fully franked final dividend of 0.12 cents a share on the 7th of April. Supply Network shares are currently trading at $10.02, up by 0.40%. And then the last on our list is Virtus Health, which specialises in the business of fertility, medical daily procedures, and medical diagnostics. The healthcare services company turned ex-dividend yesterday and has announced a fully franked dividend of 0.12 cents per share to be paid to shareholders on the 14th of April. And Virtus shares are currently trading at $8.14, up by 0.37%. That is all for now for the Buzzing Trends, but tune in next time only on Calcine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.